In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Forms with multiple pages. Creating a multi-page Google form is a simple way to make long surveys feel lighter and more organized. Instead of showing everything at once, you can break your form into clear, focused pages so respondents move through it step by step. This helps reduce drop-off, keeps people from feeling overwhelmed, and lets you present questions in the right order. Start in your Google Forms editing view. You'll see your questions arranged as individual boxes down the center. On the right side of the screen, there's a vertical toolbar with icons for adding new elements to your form. First, decide where you want the form to split. Click directly on the question box that should be the last item on the current page. That click is important because it tells Google Forms exactly where to create the break. Now look at the right-hand toolbar and choose Add Section. The icon looks like two stacked rectangles. The moment you click it, Google Forms inserts a section break beneath the question you selected. Everything below that break becomes the start of a new page for respondents. On the live form, people will see next and back buttons to move between pages, and they'll complete one section at a time. You'll notice each new page has a section header. You can give it a clear title and an optional description to guide respondents about what's coming next, like contact details or feedback on session 2. This doesn't add any extra steps to building your form, but it does make the experience clearer and more professional. If your form needs more than 2 pages, just repeat the same action. Click the question where you want the next split, then click Add Section again. Each additional section creates another page, helping you group related questions and keep the flow logical. A few helpful pointers as you plan your breaks. Keep critical questions near the beginning so you capture essential information early. Balance your pages so no single page feels too long. Remember that required questions must be answered before respondents can move forward, so place those thoughtfully. When you view your form later, you'll see how the next and back navigation keeps everything tidy and easy to follow. And that's really it. Click the question where you want to separate your content, hit Add Section on the right, and your Google form instantly becomes a multi-page experience that's cleaner, calmer, and much easier for people to complete.